Hello guys, hope you are fine and taking good care of your health. As you know that we are solving exercise 6.1. Today we are solving question number 5, part number 3. Question number 5, part number 3 is 2x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4, comma 3 into x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus 2y cube. Okay. And in this question we have to take LCM of these two algebraic expressions. So first of all we take a number that is 2 into x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4, and you know that you can write x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4 as x square minus y square into x square plus y square. We write b term one time negative and one time positive. Here we open the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into or a minus b into a plus b. Also here a is x square whole square minus b is y square whole square, and as a is x square, so here we write one time, and b is minus y square, so here we write b one time negative and one time positive. So first of all, to find the LCM, we factorize any algebraic expression that is given here, and then now we are solving second algebraic expression, that is 3 into x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus 2y cube is equal to here 3 into. From first two terms you can take common x square, so I take common x square and remaining will be x plus 2y, and last two terms we can take common minus y square and remaining will be x plus 2y. As a whole you can take common x plus 2y, so in this expression I take x plus 2y common, and 3 is already here, and then remaining will be x square minus y square, that I write here. Now to find LCM, first of all we take common factors between this expression and this expression. You can see common algebraic expressions are x square minus y square, so I write here common factor is equal to x square minus y square. Then I write uncommon. You can see in this question uncommon factors are 2, 3, x square plus y square and x plus 2y. To find the LCM of any two algebraic expressions, we will just multiply common factors and uncommon factors. So just to find LCM, just I multiply common factors and uncommon factors like this. 2 multiplied by 3, I get here 6, and here x square minus y square, x square plus y square, x plus 2y. Simply I just multiply these terms. I hope you understand this question, and you have two remaining short syllabus questions of question number 5, and remaining questions you can easily find LCM and HCF of remaining questions. In previous lecture we discussed how we find HCF, and in this lecture we discuss how we find LCM, and remaining questions you can easily solve. And if you have any difficulty in any question you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.